guys, welcome to our SLGIS Assistant YouTube channel. First, I would like to thank you all for joining with us and your comments regarding our videos. Although we haven't enough facilities such as high quality video editings, we always try to do best videos with complete content. So today also I am going to explain you about how to prepare a tin model, DEM and other raster surfaces as you requested. So wait until the end of this video to get important tips related to 3D Analyst tools in ArcGIS. Usually we have terrain data or elevation data with two different formats. One is terrain data can be represented as point feature class such as spot heights. The other one is terrain data can be represented as line feature class such as contours. We can use these kinds of elevation data to create tin, DEM or other raster surfaces. Let's see about preparing a tin model first. Triangulated irregular network or a tin represent 3D continuous surface of a particular area which consists with a triangle mesh. We can create this kind of model by using terrain points of the area. I am going to add some terrain points in a particular area by click on Add Data, then browse your folder. These are the spot heights of a particular area. By opening the attribute table of this terrain point feature class, we can see the elevations of these terrain points. Now we can create a tin model by browsing Arc Toolbox, then expand 3D Analyst tools, then click on Data Management, then again expand tin, then double click on Create Tin. Here we can change the output tin name and output location from here. Then I am going to choose the coordinate system as SLD 99 Sri Lanka Grid 1999 because this is the coordinate system of original data set. Then click OK. Here the input feature class should be selected as terrain point and the height field should be selected as by clicking on the drop down list is elevation. Height field should be selected as elevation because this elevation column has the Z values of points, and make sure that this SF type is selected as mass point. Then click OK. Now you can see a triangulated surface has been created in entire area. Here you can see the different elevation intervals and assign colors for this tin model. If you want, you can change the color ramp of this tin by right click on this tin model, then go to Properties, then click on Symbology tab. Here in color ramp you can select any suitable color for your tin model, then click on Apply. OK. Now you can see a colorful tin model has been created in this entire area. Now we can create a DEM using this tin model. A DEM or a digital elevation model is a digital representation of ground surface topography or terrain. This is also known as Digital Terrain Model or DTM. We can create a DEM by browsing Arc Toolbox, then go to 3D Analyst tools, then expand Conversion, then go to From Tin, then double click on Tin to Raster. The input tin should be selected as the created tin earlier, and you can change the output raster location from here. Here you can change the method as linear or natural neighbors as respect to your area, and you can change the sampling distance as observation 250 or cell size by relevant to your area. Then click OK. Now a DEM for this area has been created. Here you can change the symbol of this color ramp by right click on this DEM, then go to Properties. Here click on Symbology tab, then you can select a suitable color ramp from this column, then click on apply. OK. Now you can see the DEM has been colored with our selected color ramp. For a better view of this DEM, you can put this DEM into ArcScene. First, open ArcScene, then click on Add Data button. Then you can browse the DEM that you have been created earlier. Then click Add. Once you add the DEM, it seems like a 2D raster. Here also you can change the symbol color by right click on this DEM, then go to Properties and browse Symbology tab. Here you can change the color ramp, then click on Apply. OK. Then we can take a better 3D look by setting base height of this raster. To do that, again right click on this DEM, then go to Properties. Then you can go to Base Height tab and click on Float in on a custom surface, and I am going to change the units as 3. This factor can be vary with your area, so change the value of factor to many values until it get a better smooth 3D view. Then click on Apply. OK. Now we can see a better elevation model of this area. By rotating this model, you can clearly see the height elevation areas and low elevation areas properly. By using this DEM, we will be able to create many kinds of raster surfaces. Once you browse the Arc toolbox and 3D Analyst tool, then go to Raster Surfaces. Now you will be able to see there are many raster surfaces which are essential to our analyzing procedures. In here, I am only showing you how to create a slope raster by using the DEM. You can double click on this slope tool. The input raster can be selected as the created tin first, and you can change the output raster name. No need to change the other settings. Then click on OK. Here you can clearly see the slope variation of the area. High variated areas appear in red color and low variated slope areas appear in green colors. The other raster surfaces such as hillshade, aspect are commonly used in ArcGIS analysis. So you can run those tools to create new raster surfaces by putting the created DEM as input raster. Okay, then hope you all have get a better idea about creating tin, DEM and other raster surfaces. Leave your comments regarding this video and your suggestions for next lesson. Hope to see you soon in another valuable lesson. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe us.